Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this. And I was trying to find a faster way to get rid of these little pieces. And in this particular case, find and replace doesn't really work, or I can't get it to work even on size. So what you could do is nudge this shape over, nudge one of these over, grab that and move it to the center. And this time we're just going to use Control D, and we're going to 15 degrees. Control D. I missed the first one, so 30 degrees, and then just keep hitting Control D. Now in that little time, and I could have used Transformation Docker too. You've got rid of those little specks that quick. I'm trying to find a way that find and replace could find those things, but I know there's a macro under Monster Macro. But anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.